Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, I would like to give you a beautiful story of the Reserve Bank of India, the younger but the most powerful central bank in the world. The Reserve Bank of India is the central bank and also the apex institution of Indian financial and monetary system. When compared with the central banks in other countries, the Reserve Bank of India is younger but the most powerful central bank in the world. Reserve Bank of India came into existence on 1st April 1935. A brief history. Hilton Young Commission on Indian Currency and Finance was constituted by the British Indian government to make a study on the financial sector of India, which was much disturbed in those days, which was very weak. The commission was the first to alert British Indian government to establish central bank immediately. The commission named the proposed central bank to India as the Reserve Bank of India, but the recommendation was not considered by the then government. In 1931, the Indian Central Banking Inquiry Committee strongly recommended for the immediate establishment of central bank as the economic system was completely disturbed to its peak. Just to remember, actually they have submitted their report somewhere in 32-33. At that time, freedom movement was at its peak, complete disturbance was there. So, that is what they mean. Consequently, a bill was passed on 6th March 1934. The Reserve Bank of India Act was passed facilitating for the establishment of a new bank, the Reserve Bank of India. The bank started functioning from 1st April 1935 from its first office and also headquarters, Calcutta. RBI was designed on the lines of Bank of England. I told you in other previous video also that Bank of England, the most systematic, organized first central bank in the world. RBI was established with the following objectives: to regulate issue of banknotes, to maintain reserves for monetary stability, to operate credit and currency system. The bank took over the functions of controller of currency from the government. The bank took over management of government accounts and public debt from the Imperial Bank of India. Burma separated from Indian Union in 1937, but RBI continued to act as central bank to Burma up to April 1947 and also to Pakistan up to June 1948. The Reserve Bank of India was established as a private shareholders bank. Shares worth of 5 crore rupees were issued for the public subscription, and the records say that it was several times oversubscribed. In 1937, its head office was shifted from Calcutta to Bombay. The executive head of RBI is the governor. The first governor of RBI was Mr. Osborne Smith. He was at that time the chairperson and president of the Imperial Bank of India. Then Mr. James Taylor was the first deputy governor of RBI. Mr. James Taylor was transferred from as a controller of currency of the government to RBI. He was the most active governor and architect of several activities, including design of the emblem of the Reserve Bank of India, that you all know, tiger and palm tree. Mr. James Taylor was the second governor of the RBI. The first Indian to be the governor of RBI was Mr. C.D. Deshmukh. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.